Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial on improving the accuracy of your routes using the Here Routing API. In this video, we'll walk you through a common issue when working with waypoints, especially those located near or above highways, and how to resolve it using the onRoadThreshold parameter. Let's say you're building a routing feature and the user selects a point that's close to a highway. By default, the routing API tries to snap that point to the nearest road segment. If that point is just a few meters away or overlap with the highway, the API might incorrectly assume that the user is on the highway even if they are not. Take this location for example. It overlaps with a highway, but not necessarily on it. If we use this coordinate as the origin in our API call, the default behavior will snap the route to start from the highway, which can confuse users or lead to incorrect navigation. To address this, Here provides a powerful option called onRoadThreshold. This attribute tells the API how close a road must be before it considers matching your point to a highway, bridge, tunnel, or slip road. Here is how it looks on a routing request. Note that we append the threshold directly to the coordinate using a semicolon. This ensures that the API treats the point as fixed and avoids any unwanted snapping to nearby highways. You can also set a small non-zero threshold if you want some flexibility. For instance, onRoadThreshold equals to 5 means only match to the road if it's within 5 meters. This is useful if you want to minimize errors but still allows for some small GPS inaccuracies. onRoadThreshold allows specifying a distance within which the waypoint could be considered as being on a highway, bridge, tunnel, or slip road. Within this threshold, the attribute of the segment do not impact the matching. Outside the threshold, only segments which are not one of highway, bridge, tunnel, or slip road can be matched. Here is a quick comparison. On the left, we see the default behavior. The route begins on the highway. On the right, with onRoadThreshold equals to 0, the route starts exactly from the input point on the surface road. This small tweak gives you much greater control over the routing logic. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit the Here Routing API documentation and explore more ways to fine-tune your location and routing behavior. Happy mapping!